Now we are going to discuss about plant growth and development. Here every organism, it is showing the growth. Growth is the one very important and a characteristic feature of living beings. So the development is the sum of two actions. One is growth and the second one is differentiation. So development is the sum of growth and differentiation. Here growth is it is the important one characteristic feature of living beings or living organisms, and differentiation. Here every organism, here it is whether it is unicellular or multicellular. Here generally all living beings or all living organisms, their life is started with a single cell, that is a zygote. So in the mainly sexually reproducing organisms, the life starts with a zygote. So a zygote is the result of sexual reproduction. A male and female gametes fuse. So due to the fusion or fertilization process, the diploid zygote forms. So zygote is it is dividing. When the zygote is dividing, it is single cell. Generally it is diploid. Here the zygote is dividing and forming the, once it is dividing, two cells are formed, 4, 8, 16, here number of cells are formed. So divides, and when it is repeatedly divided, number of cells are formed. So all the cells are not same. In our body also, in the plant body or in human body, if you take any organism, so in the organism body, all the cells are not same. So they are differentiated, different type of cells or different type of tissues are there. So but all the cells, all tissues are produced from the same cell, single cell. Here all the different type of various types of cells are produced from the single cell, that is zygote. But after the division, here one cell is divided into two cells, next 4 cells, 8 cells, here number of cells are produced. So like this number of cells are produced. Here all the cells are not similar. Here different type of cells are present in the organism. So they are differentiated, they are converting or they are modifying to perform some specific functions. So they are forming the various types of cells. So different type of cells are differentiated, modified to perform some specific functions. So in our body or in plant body, different functions or metabolic reactions are taking place. But in different reactions, metabolic reactions, different type of tissues are involving. Here also, so the differentiation. For example, here the plant body photosynthesizing. Here some cells are having the chloroplast and they are only synthesizing the photosynthesis, but not in the other tissues. So these tissues are differentiated to perform some specific functions. So these cells are organized to form tissues and organs. So group of cells are formed after the division and differentiated. So all the cells are forming are aggregated and are coordinated. So these cells are organized to perform tissues and organs. So similar type of cells are organized and performing one function. So in one organ, different type of tissues are also present. Next, here in the plant body or in the animal body, here complex body. The complex body means different type of tissues are present, and these tissues are made up of in the complex body, there are different type of organs. Organs are made up of different type of tissues and so many cells. So like this, it is a complex body. In the plant body, if you see a root system, shoot system, in the shoot system also a stem, leaf, flowers, fruits, seeds, here different organs are there. So complex body is formed. It is due to the cell division and differentiation. So the cells are increasing in the size and again dividing and again undergoing one more division. So they are differentiated. So, if there is no cell division, here no multicellular organism. Okay, here the growth is important. After the cell division, they are small cells and increasing in the size and differentiating. So, the growth and differentiation both are important collectively, that is leading to the development of the plant or one organism. So, it is about introduction of plant growth and development.